Hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to make any object glow in Blender. It's a really fun effect. You can use it to make lights, neon signs, energy cubes, or just give your objects that magical glow look. Alright, let's get started. Here I already have a simple cube in my scene. You can use any shape you like. Now first, let's open the compositor. To do that, click and drag up your viewport a little and change the editor type to compositor. Once you're there, make sure to check Use Nodes. This enables node-based compositing, which we'll need for our glow effect. Now, press Shift-A to add a new node and search for Glare. Add the Glare node between the Render Layers node and the Composite node. This will allow Blender to add a glare or glow effect on top of your render. Next, switch your viewport shading to Render Preview mode so we can see the lighting and materials in real time, and make sure you're using the Eevee render engine since it supports the glow and bloom effects more easily. Now, to make things easier to see, let's split the viewport into two, one for our 3D view and one for the shader editor. To do that, just drag from the top right corner of your viewport to create a new window. In the new window, change it to Shader Editor. Make sure your cube or whichever object you're using is selected. Then go to the Material Properties tab and click New to add a material. By default, Blender adds a principled BSDF shader. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the emission settings. Here you can adjust the emission color and emission strength. Change the color to something bright, maybe a nice blue or neon green, and increase the strength to make it glow even more. Now go back to the compositor, and in the Glare node, you'll see different types of effects. From the drop-down, you can try options like fog glow, streaks, ghosts, or bloom. For this example, I'll select bloom. It gives that soft glowing look. You can also adjust the threshold, mix, and size to control how intense or subtle the glow looks. It's fun to play around with these settings until you get the perfect glowing effect. And that's it.